Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jasud flower for hair. This vibrant flower, also known as hibiscus, offers incredible natural benefits for your hair. Its leaves and petals are packed with amino acids, which are vital for stimulating hair growth and strengthening strands. Plus, the natural mucilage in Jasud acts as a fantastic conditioner, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft and smooth. It even helps maintain your natural hair color by supporting melanin production. Making your own Jasud hair oil at home is quite simple. First, take about 8 to 10 fresh Jasud flowers and an equal number of leaves, then grind them into a smooth paste. Next, gently heat 1 cup of a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, in a pan. Add the prepared Jasud paste to the warm oil and let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Once cooled, strain the oil to remove the solids, and your nourishing Jasud oil is ready to use. There are several effective ways to apply Jasud to your hair. For the oil, gently massage it into your scalp for about 10 minutes to stimulate circulation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before washing. If you prefer a mask, combine the Jasud paste with a half cup of plain yogurt or 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this mixture evenly to your hair and scalp, letting it sit for 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Consistent use of Jasud flower treatments offers remarkable benefits. You'll notice stronger hair follicles and a significant reduction in hair fall over time. It acts as a deep conditioner, leaving your hair with a beautiful, natural shine and making it much easier to manage. For optimal results, incorporate these Jasud treatments into your hair care routine 2 to 3 times each week. This natural remedy is a wonderful way to achieve healthier, more vibrant hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.